You repeat your affirmations every single day and you write them down in your journal or stick them on your mirror, yet nothing seems to change. You still feel the same inside and your life looks exactly as it did before, which causes your frustration to grow even more. And then you start thinking that this simply doesn't work for you. But here is the truth: affirmations do work, and they are meant to rewire your entire life from the inside out. So the problem is never the affirmation itself. Those beautiful words that you have chosen are perfect, but the real issue is how you are using them. You're speaking to your conscious mind, which is the part of you listening right now. But beneath that surface is your subconscious. That's where your deep seated beliefs actually live. And if your conscious words don't connect with that deeper layer, they just don't stick. Your old beliefs are so much stronger that they simply override the new words that you're telling yourself. Today, I'll show you the three things that bridge the gap and turn affirmations from just words into a living truth. These three shifts help your new thoughts become part of your subconscious so they can actually change your life for good. Hi, I'm Rupali Upshankar, a Helio Life teacher and a hypnotherapist, and I welcome you to Blissvana. This is a sacred space for deep healing and true transformation, and I'm so glad you're here with me. Your conscious mind is a brilliant tool because it chooses the new thoughts you want to live by. It decides to say things like, I'm worthy, or I'm abundant, and I'm loved. But your subconscious mind is where the deep, heavy beliefs actually live. These are the stories formed many years ago that still run in the background of your life. Maybe that inner voice whispers that you have to earn love or that there is never enough for you. When these two parts of your mind are in conflict, the affirmation cannot take root. The new thought simply will not stick because it doesn't feel true. The first key is learning how to speak directly to the subconscious itself. You have to work with that deeper layer of your being to see the real change. This is why methods like coaching and hypnotherapy are so incredibly powerful for transformation. They help you access that quiet space where your core beliefs are stored. It's not about forcing a new thought down into your mind with pressure. It's about gently tending to that old belief first and creating a sense of inner safety. When you feel safe, it's easier to plant a new seed. The language of your subconscious is not made of just words, but of deep feeling and repetition. By entering a calm and relaxed state, you then begin to change at the deepest level of your soul. Imagine your affirmation is I'm abundant, but you say it while feeling a lot of anxiety. If you're checking your bank account with fear while speaking those words, what message is being received? Your subconscious always believes the feeling over the word you are saying. The emotional state is the true instruction that you are giving to your body and your mind. It's the energy that gives the affirmation life and makes it real for you. So you must learn to generate the feeling the words point toward, even if it is for just a few seconds. Pause right now and take a slow breath in as you say the words, I am safe. Our minds are designed to look for threats. So I'm safe is a great affirmation that you can say anytime. Don't just say the words, but let them create a wide, open space inside of you. Breathe into that space and feel the actual possibility of being safe. Let that feeling soften your shoulders and let it calm your mind. And then notice how that affirmation feels to you now. Just say, I am safe, and feel it. The words are meant to be an anchor for the feeling, rather than a replacement for it. This emotional charge is the key that makes a new thought viable, feasible, and strong. It tells your entire being that this new reality is actually real and happening now. So before you speak any affirmation, try to step into that feeling first for just a few seconds. That's where the magic starts to happen within your heart. There's a beautiful piece of wisdom by Louise Hay that compares affirmations to planting seeds in a garden. You would never plant a seed and then dig it up every single day to check if it's growing. You plant it in the dark earth, you water it, you trust the natural process of growing. Your need to see an immediate proof usually comes from a place of lack and deep distrust. It tells your subconscious that you don't really believe this new life will actually grow. That anxiety actually pulls that seed back up before it has a chance to break the surface. Your job is not to force the harvest to happen on your own timeline. Your job is simply to tend the garden of your mind with patience and love. Plant that seed with a deep feeling, water it with your trust, and then surrender the timing. This release of control is the ultimate act of faith in your new belief system. It says to life that you are open and ready for the universe to meet you where you are. Surrender is not a passive act or it's not giving up. It's a powerful and active state of allowing things to unfold with deep trust that everything is happening in the perfect time, space, and sequence. So you're trusting that divine timing. Affirmations truly do work when you remember to include these three essential keys. Write your intentions from this new place of peace and say them with genuine feeling. You can sing them or you can write them while feeling them to be true. So you're not just repeating words to yourself, but you're gently reprogramming your inner world. You're becoming a perfect match for the reality that you most deeply desire. So keep doing this work because the change is not always loud or sudden. Sometimes it's just a quiet knowing or feeling that grows stronger every day. So trust that process and know that your life is changing for the better right now as you say your affirmations with feeling. Thank you for sharing this sacred space with me today. If these words touched your heart, please like this video, share this piece with someone who needs it, and subscribe to our channel Blissvana for more gentle guidance. Explore our affirmations and meditation videos to support your healing journey. I wish you a beautiful and blessed day ahead. Namaste.